Falcon Giving Day is Wednesday, April 13th. It's your chance to support our university, our students, and our faculty with a gift of any size. Impact the area you feel most passionate about. Donate to students in need by giving to our Student Emergency Fund or Food Pantry. Help our athletes thrive through the Champions Fund.
I just wanted to call and personally thank you for your support for our athletic program. And
100% of your investment went towards scholarships for student athletes,
which gives me the opportunity to go to college and play the sport that I do love.
Unsure where to give? Consider our General Scholarship Fund that helps so many students earn their degrees. Whether you give $5 or $5,000, your gift makes a difference. Help us reach our goal of 300 donors. Just go to UTPB.edu/GivingDay and fill out this form. Be a part of Falcon Giving Day on Wednesday, April 13th.